everybody? Not there. Not there. Huh? Whoa, look! It's you! And whoa, look! It's me! Mr. Weirdbeard! Today, I want to find out how well you know animal noises. Can you hear one? Let's see if we can find something in my magic beard to help out. Ready? Okay, let's go! Whoa, look! It's a cow!
Cow.
Let's see if we can find another animal. Whoa, look! It's a lion!
Lion.
Now we have two animals. A cow and a lion. Do you know what sound a cow makes? How about a lion? Listen closely. What animal makes this sound?
Moo! Moo!
Whoa! What was that sound? Was that sound made by the cow or the lion? Let's listen one more time.
Moo! Moo!
Which one is it? Whoa! You got it! It's the cow!
Moo!
Great job! Do you want to try another one? Okay, let's listen.
Roar! Roar!
Is that noise made by the cow or the lion? Let's listen one more time.
Roar! Roar!
The cow or the lion? Did you get it? Wow, you're right! It's the lion! Way to go!
Roar!
Now, let's listen to one more. What animal makes this sound? Listen closely. Whoa! Whoa! What was that sound? Let's listen one more time. Whoa! 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 Do you know who makes that sound? Not the cow. Not the lion. Whoa! You're right! It's me! Mr. Weirdbeard! I say, wow! Great job today! You really know your animal sounds! See you next time! How does that sound? Okay, bye! Okay, bye! Okay, bye!